Hello kids, how are you? Today is Wednesday, so today we have a new video. What about this? Okay, so this video is going to be for showing you about phonics. Do you remember phonics? Yes, they are funny phonics. Okay, so Rex couldn't be with us now, so I have a new friend here. Do you want to see it? That's it. So I don't have here Dina, but here I have an LOL. Say hi. Hi, guys. Okay, so we are going to check about phonics, the U sound. Okay, girl, you're going to help me with the U sound, like a boo, like a boo. Okay, can you see her mouth? It's like a boo. Okay, because when you are going to say the U sound, you're making a little. Okay, U sound. Let's go. So you are going to find the U sound in many words, a lot of words, right? Yes, O-L. So you are going to find the words that end with O, like the word who, move, do, to, to. Yes, O-L, very good. So you have the oo sound in, and you're going to write O. You have also oo sound with double oo. Kangaroo. Ooh. Yes. School. Spoon. Room. Room. Also, you have the U sound when you have an U and E. Okay, they can be together, they can be separated by another word, letter. June. Yes. Here we have two. Blue, blues, clues. Okay, you have U and E, but it's the same sound. U. Next word with U sound. Q. Now it's not like crying. Yeah, but it could be. And huge. Yes, Thanos was huge. He was a titan, so he was big, huge. Okay, let's go. EW words like pew, view, and the other word is new. Like me, I'm new. Yes, you have many words, but these are only some examples, right? You. Oh, we use words like soup, through, and one that you like, YouTube. Here we have another example, U and the UE that we checked before. U words with the letter U, the vowel U. Fruit, flu, student. These are you. This picture is of you studying math and Spanish, not English, because you're good in English. Yes, you are. Yes. Thank you. Okay, that's it for today. Love you a lot. Hope this video helped. Take care. Bye-bye.